What's up, guys? This is Emanuel. Yeah! Let's go! ¿No conoces las estaciones en inglés? There are 4 seasons each year. Si no te las sabes, I can teach them to you. Let's get to work. The first season is spring. The second season is summer. The third season is fall. And the fourth season is winter. To describe a bit better these changes in weather, I'm going to play my drum to show you. Wow, fantastic view! Look, that, a horse!
What color is that horse?
Black, I guess.
And what else do you see?
I see a lot of trees, a big house, and a swimming pool. Dad, let's take the drum to an open area so we can show our friends the beauty of the season.
Cool! Let's go! Tell me, Emanuel, what do you like from each season?
When I like spring because there are a lot of flowers.
Oh, very good. What about summer?
In summer, I love to go swimming. It's vacation time.
Yeah, definitely. Very good. What about fall?
In fall, I like to see the leaves falling to the ground.
Okay, very good. And finally, winter. Why do you like winter?
In winter, it's great to play with the snow and making a snowman. Yeah!
Very good, Emanuel. You know a lot about the seasons. Thank you very much. I love you, son.
I love you, Dad. Wow, it was cool flying the drone with my dad. Now let's practice again the seasons. In the spring, the trees blossom. In summer, it's hot and humid. What? Oof, it's very hot. In fall, it's cool and windy. And I love to play soccer. In winter, it's snowy and cold.
Guys, don't tell me the bed. Now Emanuel is going to repeat the season. Let's repeat again.
Spring. Summer. Fall. And winter. If you like this video, please give me a like. And follow me in YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.